Hi, I'm Sean from GoPower, and today we're going to do some tech tips on the IC3000 inverter charger and the IC2000 inverter charger. Today's tech tip is on the temp sensor that comes with the GoPower inverter charger, whether it's a 2000 or 3000. The temp sensor should always be installed in any application unless you're using lithium batteries. And now we're going to show you exactly how to install the temp sensor. The temp sensor end that we're going to put into the inverter charger, it's going to go to the battery temp sensor location here. It's a telephone style connection. We're going to just put the male into the female here. And it's that simple for the inverter installation. Installing the other end of the GoPower temp sensor to the battery is easy as going to the negative connection. So we're probably going to have other connections on this as well, but you'll put the temp on top and then we'll screw a connection down. And once again, this is the negative connection on the battery. And you can move this to wherever it's convenient for you, so it's not going to get hit or bent. And that's it.